If your perfect Sunday morning is treating yourself to a fancy coffee and sipping it at home for a couple hours, same. But have you ever considered what your healthiest coffee option is? Flat white, black coffee, or a triple espresso oat milk pumpkin spice latte? Spoiler alert, it's definitely not that. Good news. On today's Lingo on the Go, the Lingo dietitians serve up their favorite glucose-friendly options. So whether you're taking your coffee to go or settling in like me, we've got you. Of course, black coffee's the easy option, but where's the fun in that? Coffee option number 1 is a modified Americano. Hi, I'll have a 1 to 2 Americano with a splash of heavy cream, 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, and a pinch of cinnamon. A 1 to 2 Americano means it's medium strength. So for a weaker coffee, go with 1 to 3.
Thank you.
Stronger, 1 to 1. The sugar-free vanilla syrup and cinnamon offer extra flavor so you don't miss your usual order. If you're looking for a dairy-free option, you'll like coffee option number 2, a skinny vanilla latte. Hi, what non-dairy milks do you have? Great, if the soy has no added sugar, I'd like a skinny soy vanilla latte. When I'm at the cafe, I always ask about the coconut, almond, or soy milks, and I always choose one with no sugar added. Thank you. Choose one of these over the ever-popular oat milk because they have fewer carbs. Fewer carbs means less chance of a glucose spike. Third and last coffee we'll order today is ideal for anyone who enjoys a true cafe experience. Hi, are your flat whites unsweetened? Great, I'd like an unsweetened flat white, please. It's a flat white, a popular choice these days, but just make sure there's no added sugar. And if you can, choose dairy milk, though unsweetened soy works too, especially if you like the foam. No matter which coffee you choose, pair it with a protein-rich snack like egg bites or a ham and cheese sandwich. Cheers to a glucose-friendly coffee. Which order says you? And let us know what your glucose-friendly options are.